Hello, everybody. My name is Eric Bird. I'm your host here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today we're going to talk about authorized user trade lines. And in the end, watch until the end, we're going to be talking about business credit and how to build it, have a new program, a new package. So please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back. AU Trade Lines. Here's the special of the month, limited time only, $149 for a Capital One, $600 credit line, $199. Synchrony, $410 is actually the credit limit. The special is $299. And the limited time special for the Capital One, $2,100 credit limit, 2 years, 6 months, $299. And you want a larger trade line, again, these are AUs, $10,000, a little more age at 9 years, limited time special, $1,069. This helps increase your age when you're needing it to offset your debt, to make your debt utilization a lot better. Below 29%, this is what these larger trade lines are for. And again, this is an authorized user trade line. They usually stay on 3 to 4 months. And here we go with Bank of America, $13,500 AU trade line, 15 years. So those of you who need age, here's a great one right here. Again, limited time special, $1,269. And these are all going to post within 35 to 40 days. Some are sooner than later, but they're all going to be within, let's say, 45 days or less. So hit me up at eric@stopstrugglingnow.com. And last but not least, we have a new special coming out. New Business Credit Builders Program. I get a call or email or contact through social media asking about building business credit all the time. Well, now I figured I might as well offer the program, and the program will be all dependent upon you. Look down below in the description. Let me know if you need business credit. Let me also know if this is something that you're starting or something that you've already started, because this is a program that you actually have to do kind of like yourself. It's like a class almost, except with this you're actually doing the work yourself. Everything, check out the previous video that I did on business credit, and that's how it all starts, except this will be online where you check off all the boxes and make sure that you complete the process. And then once you start out with the beginners, then you can move on to store credit cards, then you can move on to business funding, where they issue you other credit cards based on your EIN number. None of this is going to be based on your personal credit unless you choose to make your personal guarantee available to get your business credit. So for instance, last time you saw the Capital One cards where they use your credit to issue you a business credit card. So anyhow, this is going to be short and sweet, because business credit, even if you have bad credit, you can use and get business credit. But the good news is, if you work on your personal credit and you work on your business credit, you can double dip. You'll be able to use your personal credit whenever the need arises, and then for business, you'll always have your business credit whenever you have a need to arise. This only takes anywhere from 6 months to a year, and you could have business funding. 6 months to a year, you can have business credit. 6 months to a year, you can have business credit, business lines of credit. So all this is possible in a year's time, as long as you don't do anything crazy with your personal, meaning you're just improving your personal, not having any late payments. That can help you out in the long run. And like I said, please watch the previous video regarding how you want to start building your business credit. Things such as having a business address, business phone number. Those are vitally important. LLC, S corporation, or corporation, That's also important. License is what you need. That's important for your jurisdiction. So that, therefore, it looks like whatever business you're doing business, because that's what you need. If you're going to be in auto sales, you have to have auto sales licensing. So they're going to look that up. They're going to look for a website where you're actually promoting or doing something online. If you're looking to get business funding, business lines of credit down the road, you're going to need all of this, and you need to season it, so to speak, which means get started, and then there's age where it shows you've been doing this for 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, a year or longer. Some people don't even realize that they do not even have a rating with Dun & Bradstreet. They've been in business for years, and then they say, well, I've been dealing with this vendor, that vendor, but not all vendors report to Dun & Bradstreet or Experian or Equifax Business. So these are the kind of things that you have to keep in mind. So that's why I decided to start this Credit Builders program. I got a great deal. Once you join in, you have representatives that can help you along the way up to 1 year. And you can start the process yourself, and it's all based on you. Remember those hurdles I was talking about? Education matters. So you have to go step by step down on the internet, on your phone, on your laptop, on your desktop, however you want to choose, and you start the process yourself. And it only works as fast and diligent as you want to be. So anyhow, this is going to be short and sweet because this is about authorized user trade lines. And again, if you need anything, you can always contact me, Eric at StopStrugglingNow.com, or you can leave a comment down below. And I'll say another thing. There are people out here that have done business credit, that have tried to help people with their credit, and everybody does things a little bit differently. I try to keep it simple and to where it's going to work out for you in the long run. Short term, we can always do something, but over the long run is where you want to be. So now, a year from now, 2 years from now, 3 years from now, you're able to pay your debts, you're able to borrow, you're able to invest, and you're able to prosper. So, as you know, please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. And as I always end this, layoffs are coming. Nissan, Deutsche Bank, United States banks are going to start. Manufacturing layoffs, it's coming. So now's the time to prepare. Don't waste your time. Don't waste the resources that we have in this day and age where we have internet access. So, please, keep your head up. Keep moving, and I'm out.